Hi students, we are learning the multiples and factors. Last video we have seen that how to find out the multiples and how to find out the LCM of that particular numbers. Today we will solve some examples of my practice time 3. So we will take example. The first question is that find the LCM of following. And the LCM of following using the multiples method. And the LCM of following using the multiple method. So first example is that 12 and 15. This is the two number given here. And we have to find out the LCM by multiples method. By multiples method. You know that how to find out the multiples of any number. Means the numbers which is comes in that particular table. Now the multiples of 12. So the numbers which are comes in a 12 table, that are the multiples of this 12. So first of all we will find out the multiples of this 12. So 12 1 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 12 3 are 36, 12 4 are 48, then 60, then 72, then 84, then 96, then 108, and then 120. This is the 10 multiples of this 12. Now we have to find out the multiples of this 15. So 15, then 30, then 55, then 60, then this is the multiples of this 15. So the numbers which are comes in 12 table, that are the multiples of this 12. And the numbers which are comes in a 15 table, these are the multiples of 15. Now we have to find out the LCM. LCM is least common multiples. LCM of 12 and 15. 12 and 15. What do you mean by L? L means least. C common, M multiples. Least means a short or layer, we can say the little number of these multiples, that is common multiples. That is the 60 is the number which is present in all two multiples. That is 60. This is 60. This is 60. So 60 is the least common multiples of 12 and 15. So we can say here, we can write here the 60. We can write here the 60. Again 120 here, but 120 also here. But it is not a least. It is a greater. It is not a smaller. So 60 is a smaller or least common multiple of this 12 and 15. So in this way, we can find out the LCM by the least common multiples by the multiples method. We will take another example. Example is 12, 15 and 18. 12, 15 and 18. Same procedure. Find out the LCM or multiples of 12, then 15 and 18. Now, then 36, then 48, then 60, then 144, then 156, then 168 and 180. You can say this is the multiples of this 12. Then 15. Then 18. So it is 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162 and 180. These are the multiples of this 18. Now we have to find out the least common multiples. Common means the numbers which is present in both of 3 or 3 multiples. Means 12th multiples, 15th multiples and 18th multiples. These are the multiples of these 3 numbers, and the number which is present in all 3 series, that is the common multiples. So one and only multiples that are present in all the 3 series or all 3 the multiple, that is 180, that is 180. That is 180. So LCM of 12, 15 and 18, 12, 15 and 18 is equal to 180. Is equal to 180. Other way we can say that this 180 can divide by 12, 15 and 18 exactly. So this is the way to find out the LCM with the help of multiples method. Now we will solve second question, that is find the LCM of the following using the division method. Last video we have seen that how to find out the LCM by division method. So we will take an example of 120 and 108. 108. And we have to find out the LCM of these two numbers with the help of division method. So we have to know the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. Now there is a 0 on one place and there is a 8 on one place. That's why we can divide this 120 and 108 by 2. So 2 means 2 1s are 2 and 260 are 120. 260 are 120. 2 1s are 2 and 54s. 2 1s are 2 and 254s are 108. Now this 0 and this 4 means we can say that this 60 and this 54 can divide by again 2 because of there is a 0 and 4 on one place of both numbers. So 2 again 2 1s are 2, so 30s are 60. 2 1s are 2 and 2 27 are 54. Again we can say that we have to find out the number which is divided by a number, both of number, this 30 and 30 and 27. 27. So 3 plus 0 that is 3, 2 plus 7 that is 9. So this 3 and this 9 can divide by 3 with the help of divisibility rule of 3. So 3 tens are 30 and 3 9s are 27. Now this 10 can divide by 2. 2 5s are 10. This 9 cannot divide by 2 because of this is a prime number. Sorry, this is a odd number. Now this 5 is a prime number and this 3 is odd number. So we can divide by this 3. So 5 will add it. This is our 9. Now this 5 ones are 5, we will add it is they 3 1. So this is the division method of find out the multiples of any number. So factors of this number. So 120 and 180. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 3. So 2 into 2 into this 3, then into 2 into 3 into 5 into 3. So 3 into 5 15, 15 into 3 45, 45 into 2 that is 90, 90 into 3 that is 270, 270 into 2 that is 540, 540 into 2 that is 180. Sorry, 1080. 1080. So this is the LCM of 120 and 180. This is the LCM of 120 and 180. So this is the way to find out the LCM by division method. Again, we will take another example, that is 96 and 66. and 66. There is a 6 on ones place, there is a 6 on ones place, that's why we can divide this by 2. So 2 on the 2, 2 4 48 is 96, then 33. Again there is a 8, but there is not 0 2 4 6 or 8, that's why we can't divide this 33 by 2. But 4 plus 8, that is 12, 3 plus 3, that is a 6. So 12 and 6 can divide by these 3, so we can divide by 3. Then 16 and then 11. 16 and 11. Now this 2, 8, 11 will as it is. Again this 2, 4, 11 as it is. Again this 2, 11 as it is. Again this 2, 1, 11 as it is. Again 11, because of this 11 is a prime number, so there is a 1. So this is the way to find out the factors. If you multiply these factors, you will get the LCM of this 96 and 66. So 96 and 66. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. So this is the factor of this 96 and 66. Now we have to multiply this. 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 12 into 2, that is 24, 24 into 2, that is 48, 48 into 2, that is 96, 96 into 11, 96 into 11, 11 6 are 66, carry 6, 11 9 are 99, 99 plus 6, that 105. So 1056, this is the LCM of this number. So this is the way to find out the LCM by division method. Student, we have taken 2 examples of each question, and a remaining question you have to solve it. Thank you.